Attention Engine 5, Water 3, Rescue 2, Hazmat, Battalion 2. You're responding to 176 East 7th Street. That's 176 East 7th, Wood and Wade Street are your core streets. I report a motor vehicle accident, vehicle into the building. We just have an updated call, person trapped in the vehicle.
I have a two-car MVA with a police officer involved. The police officer is trapped in the vehicle. Have Rescue 2 continue in. The building looks like at this time it has sustained no damage.
Received, Battalion 2. You report a two-car MVA with a police officer trapped.
Yeah.